The new score format for the PEP exams is not going down well with the nation's largest teachers union. President-elect of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Owen Speed, believes it's a cover-up for incompetence. He made the assertion at the JTA's Clarendon Parish Annual General Meeting today.
The Jamaica Teachers Association has long expressed concern about aspects of the primary exit profile PEP exam, warning that teachers, students and administrators would not have been ready. So when news emerged that students will not get a percentage grade, JTA President-elect Owen Speed suggested that this further strengthened the association's position.
The way they present the text, the scores, is really just covering up for incompetencies and covering up because their ego is so big that they can't come down now and say, yes, we made some mistakes, and really and truly we are seeing that we were really ready to implement this PEP.
In fact, he argued the association learned about this method of releasing the PEP results through the media.
And you know what is amazing to me? The Chief Education Officer came on after I said it on the radio. She was saying that the system knows all along that they were going to present the result without giving us the percentages.
Mr. Speed rejected, too, assertions by the Ministry of Education that this method of releasing results is used internationally. He instead argued that it does not meet any standard.
What is actually happening with this way of presenting the data is that you will have shifting standards. Because when you, and what it does even further, it gives leverage to the incompetent people who set test items for them to be able to set any kind of item on those papers. And at the end of it all, they say, whomever comes out on top, even if that on top means 10 or 15%, they have a category for that. That is saying that you are highly proficient. Isn't that trickery?
He's also concerned about the possible impact of the PEP saga on the students.
All they did to this set of grade 6 children is to get them scared of tests. Because most, if not all of them, no matter how brilliant they were, coming up from grade 3, 4, 5, and 6 with 90 and 100% on their tests, many of them brilliant, and suddenly they come to grade 6. And they are messed up. They are down at 40%. I don't know where we're going to find dam and reservoir to hold the tears that are going to come when the results come out next week.
This week, Acting Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Grace McLean, told the PAAC that the ministry's quality assurance officers will work with principals and schools to ensure they fully understand the new score format for the PEP exams. The results will be released next week.